What's going on, Sacred Team? Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this locked on stabilization effect inside After Effects. Super easy, super quick tutorial. Like always, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single day this month. You don't want to miss out on the sauce. Hit that like button, free support, helps my channel grow, guys. Not paying me a single dime. Let's get it. Hit that like button. That being said, let's hop straight into the video. This will be the clip we'll be working with today, guys. First thing what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the tracker selected on the side. If you guys don't have this tracker option, make sure you go up to Windows, select tracker, and it should open up. Now we're going to press on this stabilize motion. This box will show up. We're going to go ahead and zoom in. What we want to do is we want to bring this box in the middle of his nose. We're going to make the outer square bigger, and this outer square is pretty much the area where the stabilization will occur in. This radius right here, we're going to go and make that smaller one a little bit bigger as well. Cover up the nose. Let's make this outer square just a little bit bigger. That's good. Then we're going to go ahead and press play, and this is going to go frame by frame and stabilize the center of his nose. Now once it's done, you'll see all the frames. If we go back, you guys can see it went frame by frame, stabilize it on his nose, and it's looking pretty solid. And if the track ever does mess up at a point, guys, you guys can always go back in and switch it up manually. Once that's done, go ahead and press apply. It's going to say apply dimensions X and Y. You press on OK. Now when we play it back, we're going to have something like this. As you guys can see, it is locked in on his nose and it's looking pretty clean, but these borders are showing up. That's a quick, easy fix. All we're going to do is we're going to go into the clip, press S for scale. We're just gonna scale that up just a little bit, just like so. And we play it back. You guys can see it's locked and loaded in the middle of his nose. Pretty fire. And that's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family. Come on, I know you want to. Let's get it. Hit that like button. Free support, guys. Helps my channel grow as well. I really appreciate it. That being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.